Good morning students, welcome to class BA part first. In first year we were reading our essays, and in last video we have discussed upon the essay that is national prejudices. In our today's video we will start it from second paragraph, because in last video we have completed first paragraph, and then before first paragraph we have also discussed about the particular theme and the subject matter related to national prejudices. Then we have discussed about the capacity of dealing, that how Oliver Goldsmith, that is the writer, how Oliver Goldsmith speaks that how he just connected with the company accidentally, and then how he treated it. So that is an important aspect of the essay. That writer didn't want to join the company. Writer did not, you can say, have any right upon that particular topic, because the topic was very new for writer, or you can say that it was a very broad topic. And to give opinion upon this broad topic, it is necessary to visit all these, because this was the topic for the study of countries of Europe. This was the topic for the study of countries of Europe. Only one who have the knowledge about all these countries related to Europe must give the opinion. So the person who provides opinion, who gives opinion without knowing all these type of the countries, how we can believe upon the fact of that opinion? How we can consider, is it right? No. How he can prove his logics very argumentally? No. How he can give the knowledge of the ideas? Because it is only based upon prejudices, and prejudices is not a real judgment. We should not be keep it in any time. That's mean writer first, what he speaks, as we promised already, whatever I will be speak must be according to my real sentiment, according to my real heart, according to my real knowledge, according to my pure honesty. I never compromise having prejudices. There should not be any prejudices in my mind. What is according to writer? Who is speaking? Writer is speaking. Then, if I have given pressure to involve this company, if I have found the chance or opportunity to speak, after all, if there is the chance to speak, I must speak the right. I must speak the honest, or I must speak the facts that allowed by my soul, by my knowledge, by my mind. Means I never follow the conception or the ideology of the gentleman that was followed in the essay letter, as we discussed in last video, that the gentleman shows his country love. The gentleman shows his country love for England. Or how he shows his country love? He shows his country love to attack upon another country. Is it a way to attacking? No. Is it a way to show his love for country love? No. Is it a right path to show that yes, I love England? Is it right to speak? No. That's why it is important here that how writer says. Or it is sure writer must be speak right. It is sure writer must be speak the real sentiment, or it is absolutely right. It is absolutely right that writer must face the next problem. Do you know about the next problem? The next problem is the rejection of the company. The next problem, he know it very well, that after my delivering speech, the company will look me with a head eyes. The company will observe me with a faithless citizen. because I never agree with the speech of that gentleman who want to speak or who want to show that I am gentleman, I am the real citizen. No, means that's okay. I think that every conception which we read in last video must be clear in mind so that we can touch the next part. अब क्या होता है, लास्ट में अपन ने देखा था कि there is the detail or the detail is based upon a very warm political dispute. We know that there were 6 gentlemen. We know that writer was also there. We know that most of the part of writer's life spent outside from the home. We must know that writer was at the present time is telling us about the last rambles, about the last journey. Everything that was clear. He visited various places. He visited various journeys, various trips. But now, the matter that is related, he is speaking us about the last journey. And this last journey, what happened, that is the essay. So essay is the presentation of the last journey of Oliver Goldsmith. So now you are requested to look your book because we just start to read its paragraph, or according to its paragraph we are on the second paragraph, or what there is in second paragraph, then you must keep a book, a textbook, and start with me. But keep one thing in mind, that whatever there is in previous part, must be in mind, because the essay is sequential and it is very good for you. It is very, you can say, beneficial for you that you keep touch with every conception of the essay, so that the clear essay will be coming in mind sequentially. And for it, you just read the book, that is amongst a multiplicity of other topics. यानी ऐसे मल्टीपल बहुत से टॉपिक हो सकते थे उन सब के बीच में, यानी देयर मे बी वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ द टॉपिक फॉर डिबेट, देयर मस्ट बी वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ द पॉइंट्स ऑन विच दे कैन टेक कम्युनिकेशन, देयर मस्ट बी वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ द डिटेल्स, even they have just touched this topic, right? Is presenting how they just keep this topic. This is the topic to create a debate. There may be a very common topic, but they just select a topic of debate. We took occasion to talk of different characters of the 7 nations of Europe. We took occasion, जिसमें अपने को अवसर मिलता है, of the different characters, अलग-अलग characters में किनके 7 nations of Europe. So this was the topic. That is very important topic, and you can say very warm disputed topic. And on this topic, we have found an occasion to speak about their characters. In character we include there are various types of the culture, there are various types of the traditions, there are various types of the systems, various types of social system, various types of sociological aspects related to society, their dresses, their speech, their way of communication, their lifestyle, their way of life, everything that is related to a human being from point to broad, छोटे से बड़ा, everything that is related for a social animal, everything that is related for a society, everything that is must to be a life of human being, all these are a part of it. Or if we have this type of the topic to consider about different type of the countries of Europe, we must have the knowledge, we must have an information that how we can give our opinions. If we are giving opinion without any knowledge, without any information, without any base, without knowing anything, then what is the purpose of your opinion? It is prejudices. We should not keep prejudices, pre-idea. Prejudices means pre-idea, idea without any knowledge, idea that is baseless, idea based upon false information. Prejudices is a very, you can say, bad word, and we should not follow it in anywhere in life. Even it is we are discussing that is based on prejudices. So never keep any wrong idea, for any country. If you have not any knowledge, no blame, not any problem, you may say that I have not any knowledge about that particular country. There is not any shame. It is a good thing if you accept your fault. It is a good thing if you accept your fault, that I have not visited America. Then how I can tell about the future of tradition of America? Then how I can express about the social system of America? Then how I can express about the belief, about the tradition, about the civilization of America? So on which faith or on which base I will give my opinion? I am giving opinion only on the speech of others, only upon the flying informations, that is not good. If you want to give a proofable answer, a very practical answer, that you must visit America, you just observe their habits, you just observe their system, their, you can say lifestyle, you can observe their, which type of disease they take, which type of the meals they have, or which type of everything that is related to their sociological system. So, it is must to know about the complete practical knowledge for particular country. Or Europe, there are various countries. So, how we can give the opinion? Right? The same says here. Whatever his knowledge allows, he just speaks. Whatever his knowledge allows, he just speak about it. When one of the gentlemen, अब उनमें से एक gentleman, I am speaking about the same gentleman as we discussed already in last video, जो एक gentleman था, जिसकी बात को अप्रूवल सा मान लिया गया था, क्योंकि they were divided, because they just want to know the result of meeting, because they want a conclusion. So one person's opinion likely to be considered or likely to be accepted. The same opinion is given here. उस एक व्यक्ति की बात को लगभग सा मान लिया गया था. What he speak? देखिए क्या कहता है. Cooking his head. अपनी head जो थी उसको थोड़ा सा तिरछा किया. Head is a type of cat, you can say, that has four type of the boundaries, round shape. उसको थोड़ा सा तिरछा करता है. That is the action before speech. And I'm using such an air. और इस प्रकार से I'm use कर रहा है जो पूरी air है, एटमोस्फेयर, माहौल जो है, यानी माहौल यहाँ पे जो है, that is air of meeting. That is air of meeting. You can understand? That is the complete sense of meeting, the result of meeting. Importance and air of importance as, जैसे उसकी बात को बड़ा तवज्जो मिल गया, महत्व मिल रहा है. As he had posed, इस प्रकार का व्यवहार वो शो कर रहा है जैसे उसको अधिकार है, पोस्ट कर रहा है. All the merit of English nation of in his own person. Very important. इस प्रकार से वो अपनी हेड को टेढ़ा बेढ़ा कर रहा है. बॉडी लैंग्वेज और माहौल ऐसा क्रिएट कर रहा है कि जैसे उसकी ऑन पर्सन, खुद की पर्सनैलिटी के अंदर, व्यक्तित्व के अंदर इंग्लिश नेशन के सारी मेरिट हो. इंग्लिश इज यूज्ड फॉर इंग्लैंड, नेशन मीन्स राष्ट्र. तो ही जस्ट बिहेव्स हियर, he just behaves here very similar. Oh, it is a very funny day. We surprised that how a man, a gentleman, presents himself as what there are the various merits of England. All these merits are there in my life, in my personal behavior, in my individual life. Is it possible? It is not possible. But the gentleman proves himself. He says that I have all these types of the good merits which a nation like Great England had. It is a dialogue that creates humor, that creates fun, and indirectly you can also observe the ego. Not proud, that is ego. How he can prove his personality? Personality must be proved by the others. How he can prove his behavior must be proved by others. If you have good in your personality, there is not any need to speak about it. Everyone can understand it, everything. Why you are speaking? Why you are telling? Why are you speaking that I have this type of the merits, I have this type of the conduct, I have this type of the behavior? It is not any need to speak. Everyone understand everything. Your personality observed by everyone, and they can give your conclusion. Why you are speaking yourself? This is not a good behavior. Even that's okay. The writer speaks about the character of that person. The writer narrates about or indirectly attacks upon. You can understand it. Writer attacks on the behavior because he is not a real citizen. He is not a real country lover. He is not a real patriotic, but victim of prejudices. He attacking another countries of Europe. Why? They are not enemy of the gentleman. Why? To show his love for England. Very funny. To show his love for England, what idea that is in his mind? He thought that if I attack another countries, then automatically my love will be proved. That was the misunderstanding. That was the bad understanding, or that was the wrong idea. We know that although he just know about it, even he is, मेरे को पता है वो जानता है, लेकिन फिर भी वो बोलता है that's okay. What he speaks, क्या बोलता है? Declared that, वो इस बात का डिक्लेयर करता है, बोलता है Dutch were a parcel of ambitious riches. डच के लोग बड़े मतलब ambitious riches in लालची. डच के लोग बहुत लालची. He never visited Dutch as our information. He never visited or never observed the features or the talents of Dutch. Even he speaks it. French had a set of flattery of psychopaths. और फ्रांस के लोग तो एकदम चापलूसी करने वाले. Is he visited French? No, because he just select the way of attacking another country. He just confirm in mind that I must attack another country. That the Germans who struggle shots और जर्मनी के लोग ड्रिंकिंग बहुत ज्यादा करते हैं. Is it right? We don't know. Why we can say yes or no if we don't know anything? If we never visited Germany, then how we can say? But the writer, according to the speech of this gentleman, speech said how he can speak. But he says the person of Germans or the public of German have the great fond or the habit of drinking more. And distributors, बड़े मतलब खाने पीने वाले जानवरों की तरह खाते पीते रहते हैं, शराब भी पीते रहते हैं. And then और उसके बाद स्पेनिडर्स प्राउडी हट्टी, श्योरली टैलेंट्स, और स्पेन के लोग तो बड़े जिद्दी और ढड्ढे होते हैं. Is he visited Spain or any type of the way to communicating with them? How he can communicate? But he says because he want to show his love for country. This was his misunderstanding. That if I attack upon all these type of the countries, my love will be proved better. That was the misunderstanding. स्पेन को ले बैठा, जर्मनी को, फ्रांस को, डच को. बट लेकिन इन ब्रेवरी, आप बात कीजिए बहादुरी की, जेनेरिसिटी, उदारता की बात कीजिए, क्लेमेंसी की बात कीजिए, और या एवरी अदर वर्चू, किसी भी गुण की बात कर लीजिए. द इंग्लिश एक्सेल्स ऑल द वर्ल्ड. पूरे दुनिया में सबसे ऊपर एक्सेल पे इंग्लैंड है. हो सकता है we don't say any type of use. हो सकता है इंग्लैंड में be the supreme in every type. We accept it. In the matter of honesty, in the matter of good thing, in the matter of good conduct, in the matter of better social system, in the matter of a very systematic arrangement of life. हो सकता है that the gentleman's speech about England may be right, but he can speak it directly. Why there is the need to attacking another countries? Why he attacks upon the Germany and Spain and French? Why he attacks? Because टू, ये जो लास्ट वाली बात है, टू शो इंग्लैंड ऑन द एक्शन ऑफ द अपेक्स, he think that there is the need to attack another countries. This is not a right way of expression. This is not a right way of expression. And writer never suggested or agreed with it, because he never accepted anything. What is the meaning to attacking another countries? How can two another countries bad? You can know everything about your country. That's it. You may know. आपको अपने देश की ज्यादा से ज्यादा जानकारी हो सकती है, बिकॉज वी आर लिविंग देयर, बट आपको उससे भी कहीं ज्यादा जानकारी अन्य देशों की है. मीन्स देयर इज डाउट, देयर इज सस्पेंस. Never keep doubt and suspense at the time when you are delivering speech in public. What he speaks the last. अब हुआ क्या कि सबकी ये बात सुनने के बाद this very learned and judicious remark was received. इसकी इस बात जो हमने देखा था कि लास्ट में सारे जेंटलमैन ने एक ही बात को स्वीकार सा कर लिया. वैसे तो बटे हुए थे, ओपिनियन सेम नहीं थी, लेकिन मान लिया गया था. दिस वेरी लर्न एंड जुडिशियस रिमार्क वाज रिसीव्ड विद ए जनरल स्माइल. इस एकदम शिक्षित और न्यायपूर्ण टिप्पणी, देखिए कितनी बड़ी बात है. रिसीव्ड विद ए जनरल स्माइल ऑफ एप्रोवेशन बाय द होल कंपनी. सारी की सारी कंपनी ने इस बात को एक सामान्य स्माइल, स्माइल इज द सिंबल ऑफ एग्री, स्माइल इज द सिंबल ऑफ एक्सेप्ट, मान लिया. उस कंपनी के द्वारा इस बात को मान सा लिया गया. बाय द कंपनी, ओ सबने मान लिया, सबने. आई मीन राइटर स्पीकिंग, बट योर हम्बल सर्वेंट, अपने आप को कह रहे हैं सबने मान लिया, लेकिन आपका ये हम्बल सर्वेंट कैसे मान ले? ये नहीं मानेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि ही नेवर बिलीव इन प्रेजुडिसेस. क्यों? क्योंकि हो सकता है ही राइटर मस्ट नो मोर देन दैट जेंटलमैन अबाउट दिस कंट्रीज, बिकॉज ही जनरली विजिटेड वेरियस कंट्रीज. तो राइटर को जहां तक मुझे लगता है इन देशों के बारे में इससे ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन है, इस जेंटलमैन से ज्यादा राइटर को इंफॉर्मेशन है, तभी तो ही इज नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग एवरीथिंग. और यहाँ पे दिस इज नॉट द मैटर टू अपोजिशन. It is not easy to oppose it. It is not easy to speak against them, because it is the matter of the ground of man. And then they can take various types of doubt upon it if he speaks. But he, even after knowing everything, he must speak. This is the feature of a good writer. He knows that if I am speaking against the rules, I must be face various types of bad news by them. I will be attacked by them. Even they show upon the doubt upon my sufficiency for England. They just show about the protection given by England to me. Means it is not easy to speak against it. Even writer will speak against it, because writer never compromises with his thoughts. Writer never compromises with his ideas and the real sentiments. He must speak everywhere right or true. That is according to the psyche of the mind. This is the matter or feature of a good writer, that how writer treats the matter. That how writer treats the matter. So, आगे देखिए क्या कहता है राइटर. Who endeavoring to keep my gravity as well as I could. और एकदम gravity में seriously, never speaking anything, because he want to stay here silent, because he just want that I will be silent here, because if I speak anything, there may be this type of a very actual will disturb. There may be create various types of difficulty upon this peaceful atmosphere. और दिस ग्राउंड वेरी वेरी बिटर. इसलिए राइटर एकदम सीरियस हो गया. आई रिक्लाइन माई हेड अपॉन माई आर्म, एकदम भुजाओं के ऊपर सिर रख करके झुक करके बैठ गया. कंटिन्यू फॉर सम टाइम इन द पोस्चर ऑफ अफेक्टेड थॉटफुलनेस, और इस पोस्चर में कंडीशन विचार सोच रहा है। इफ आई हैव बीन म्यूजिंग ऑन समथिंग एल्स, जैसे वो व्यक्ति किसी और पे थिंकिंग कर रहा है। इस पोजीशन में राइटर कई देर तक टेबल पे सिर रख करके बैठा रहा, बिकॉज रीजन कंफर्म है, राइटर डिड नॉट वांट टू स्पीक एनीथिंग, राइटर वांट्स टू कीप पीस, दैट्स व्हाई he just prepared his position as he is thinking upon something, then he is in the mood of consideration, वो बैठा रहा as if I had and did not seem to attend the subject of conversation, और ऐसी पोजीशन में बैठ गया जैसे वो कन्वर्सेशन के जो सब्जेक्ट हैं उसको बिल्कुल भी मतलब अटेंड नहीं कर रहा है। This was the position of writer, that he was in this position, that he never thinking what there are in this meeting. So this is the second paragraph. What is the main ideas? The main idea in the second paragraph is the idea of that gentleman. Second, now in the next class, which we will start next day, next video, then we will found the face of writer in front. Then writer will speak. याद रखिए, अभी तक राइटर ने अपने मुंह से एक शब्द नहीं निकाला, एंड ही नेवर वांटेड टू गिव हिज ओपिनियन नाउ, और वो निकालना भी नहीं चाहता, बिकॉज उसको पता है उसकी निकली हुई हर बात इनको चोट पहुंचाएगी। क्यों? क्योंकि दे वर प्रेजुडिसेस विक्टिम, दे वर द विक्टिम ऑफ प्रेजुडिसेस, एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही वांट टू रिमेन साइलेंट। और अगर उसको ऊपर दबाव तो पड़ेगा पक्का, क्योंकि वो जेंटलमैन इसको चुप नहीं बैठने देगा, वो या तो इसका अप्रूवल मांगेगा, और अगर अप्रूवल नहीं है, अगेंस्ट में है, तो अगेंस्ट का रीजन मांगेगा, पक्का मांगेगा, बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट ए कॉमन जेंटलमैन एज वी डिस्कस्ड ऑलरेडी। तो ही मस्ट आइदर राइटर शोज हिज अप्रूवल फॉर द सब्जेक्ट, और इफ ही डजंट शो हिज अप्रूवल फॉर द सब्जेक्ट, व्हाई? रीजन must be taken there. क्यों? क्योंकि the gentleman must require the reason, or when the writer will provide reason, there may be everything that is not suitable for the listener. When they pressure to give reason, the gentleman may be angry because it is sure his voice, the voice of writer, must attack upon the heart of that gentleman. It is sure that when writer will start to speak, it is sure that when writer will start to speak, everyone becomes silent there. Even they start to take doubts upon writer, even they start to take suspense upon writer, or even they just attack upon writer that how you are living in England, that how you are living in England. So in next video, we will start the next part of this. Thank you.